Hi you guys, guess what I have here? Right here I have, it's a ceiling mount light fixture, and the diameter of the ring is approximately 19 inches. And you know what this is for? Well, I'm actually trying to turn that mirror, our master bedroom, the whole French country theme, I'm trying to integrate lighting into that mirror and mount it on the wall, and hopefully the lighting is nice enough and projects outward and creates another layer of ambiance by using this light fixture. So let's open it up and check it out. I'm gonna have to have someone come out though and mount it on the wall because it's not a plug-in, it's a wall fixture kind of thing. But I really like it, and I think it's gonna look good. So this is a great opportunity for me to add another layer of interest to the mirror. So I want to explore the idea. And this is my first attempt at exploring it, so we'll see. I want to see how the light projects out from the mirror when it's mounted on. We'll have to play around with it and see how this is gonna look. Yeah, this is part of it. It'll be fun.
Stay tuned for more.